everyone, it's Yvette. So I just finished making this t-shirt. It's on navy blue and I used the iron-on vinyl. I used the white letters and teal. I'm going to give this to my sister because she's a teacher. And I'm so excited because I love the way it came out. I used different fonts, which I will look back and then write them below so that you can see. And then I also added little circles and stars all around it. So I'm super excited. And I wanted to show you also, I picked up this mat in Amazon. It's one of those heat resistant mats and it's really good. I love it. And I also use my iron press, my Cricut, what's it called? I think it's called Cricut press that my hubby got me for Christmas because I've been making a lot of t-shirts. And if you stay on for a little bit longer, I can show you how I made it. Otherwise, I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Today I'm making a t-shirt for my sister, and I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I've been making different t-shirts, and I just love making them with the iron vinyl. So I just finished creating this one using my Cricut design space. And it's going to be 7.01 inches wide and 5.113 inches long. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it. So let me mirror image it. Let me just do them both so I don't forget. So I have my vinyl already on my mat, and I have the white one on top and the teal in the bottom starting at 6 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down to 6 inches where I have my vinyl set up, and the other one is right on top. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and I weaved everything. So I'm going to go ahead and we're gonna do the white part first. The teach and inspire, and I'm going to place it right about there. I think that's the middle. Oh, this is going to be so stinking cute. Okay, and the timer says 30 seconds, but the instruction for this vinyl said 10, so I'm going to stop it at 15. So let's go ahead and place it right on top and set the timer. It says to go ahead and press down, but you really don't have to. It's pretty heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it at 15. Right there, that's 15. Let me go ahead and pause that. So let's see, let's let it cool a little bit, and then try to peel it, and yay, it actually worked. So remove it very gently. So now I'm going to go ahead and place the teal, the love, right in the middle where I want it. I think that's good. So let's go ahead and press it one more time, because I'm scared it'll stick to the white one, but it shouldn't. You can tell I'm nervous because it's the first time I do this. I've been making other t-shirts, but not with the two colors. All right, so that's 15. And let's see what that looks like. Cool it a little bit. The white one looks good. And it worked. Yay! I did it. So let's get a close-up of the t-shirt, and this is what it looks like. Teach, love, inspire. I love the way it came out. So stinking cute. I hope my sister likes it. It's at 3:05, and instead of 30 seconds, I just did it at 15 seconds, and it worked out fine. And that is it, guys. So I hope you're all having a great day, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.